Hello everyone. Welcome to the 15 Days Spoken English course. If you understand English, but you feel nervous when you speak, or you stop because you are afraid of making mistakes, then this course is for you. In this 5-day course, I will teach you step by step how to speak English from basic to confident level. Today is day 1, and today we will talk about the fear of speaking English. Why do we feel afraid to speak English? First, we must understand one thing. English is not difficult. We make it difficult. Most learners feel fear because of 3 main reasons. Number 1, fear of making mistakes. People think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if people laugh at me? Number 2, fear of less vocabulary. Many learners say I don't know enough words. Number 3, lack of confidence. They did not get practice in school or daily life, so they feel shy while speaking. Most important rule, you do not need perfect grammar to speak English. For example, if you say, I go market yesterday, this sentence is not grammatically perfect, but the meaning is clear. Speaking is more important than grammar. First, learn to speak. Grammar will improve later. In this course, speak first, correct later, gain confidence step by step. Today's speaking practice now. Let us start speaking practice. Please pause the video and repeat after me. Practice sentences. 1. I am learning English. 2. I can speak English. 3. English is easy. 4. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Say each sentence 3 times, slowly and clearly. Do not worry about pronunciation, just speak. Homework. Today's homework is very simple. 1. Stand in front of a mirror and say, I am learning English. To practice speaking English for at least 5 minutes every day, even if you talk to yourself. 3. If you make mistakes, smile and continue speaking. Mistakes mean you are learning. Tomorrow, in day 2, you will learn basic English sentences for daily use. If you follow this course honestly, after 15 days, you will feel more confident in speaking English. Like this video and subscribe to the channel, and do not miss day 2. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.